Hey, Katie here, and I wanted to shoot this very quick blog video with you right now because I often get thoughts and ideas that I want to share with people at the most inappropriate moments where I haven't got a pen, I can't write anything down, and then by the time I kind of get home, I've lost maybe some of the gist of it. So I'm just going to do more videos like this where I just click record and say things when I want to and share them immediately. So probably don't have these on HD if you have like a really cool new phone with a great screen. But I don't care. Anyhow, let me get into it because what I want to talk about is motivation. And I thought about this while I was in the gym today because I have so many students and parents that have conversations with at this time of year, leading into exams, where they're just like, okay, how do we get motivated to do revision? How do I get motivated to study when I just don't feel like it? And what I've come to think over the last little while, and I have talked to a few people about this individually, is that motivation isn't often about like this mindset of having to feel super amazing and positive. I believe that a lot of motivation or being able to just get in and do something is about knowing what it is you're really doing. Because how hard is it to get motivated when you're not really sure what you should be doing or how you should be doing it? Now, imagine trying to decide to go to the gym if you don't know how to use any of the equipment, you don't have a clear workout routine, you don't really know what you're doing. Is that going to be motivational to rock up and go to the gym? Very unlikely, and it's exactly the same for students. If they don't know exactly what they should be doing to revise, the best strategies to do it, how to do it, they don't have a plan, and they're not really even sure if maybe what they're doing is really going to pay off, because so often it doesn't, because so many students are not using the best or most efficient or effective strategies to store that information in their brain and then have it move easily from brain to paper in the exam. Then no wonder it's a struggle to get motivated. So this is why I feel so strongly that students need to not only be aware of, but actually need to learn and practice and hone and have a clear plan and idea of exactly what strategies they're using, how they work, how to do them, and have a really clear plan of attack. Now, that doesn't necessarily mean that they have to know that this morning they're waking up and they're doing 2 hours of maths and all the rest of it. I'm not a big fan of blocking out those just days of time and having like a timetable, stuck on the fridge or whatever. I think there are better ways to do it, which I haven't got time to go into right now. But therefore, if you're a student or you're a parent whose teen just isn't feeling confident or clear, I suppose is the biggest thing, on what they're doing, how to do it, why they're doing it, how it's going to serve them, and has everything ready to go for that, then that is maybe the thing that is holding them back from feeling motivated and getting in and getting it done. So that's it from me for this week. I hope you have a really good week ahead, and until next week, let's make this a fantastic week.